Want to create a transparent header in Elementor? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it so your site looks clean and professional in just minutes. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. So first, open your WordPress site and right-click Edit with Elementor at the top. This opens a little menu. There, click on the Header option. Once the header editor loads, click on the top container since that's where the header sits. On the left panel, go to the Advanced tab, scroll down and find Custom CSS. Here, you have to put a CSS code that you see on screen to make it happen. You can copy the CSS code from the description below and paste it there. That way, the header is already transparent. But the menu items on the header should be visible clearly. So, click on the pencil icon over the menu section. This switches the panel to edit just the WordPress menu. Head to the Style tab and change the text color. White works great with a transparent look. Hit the Publish button at the top right to save. Now, refresh your site. Your header is transparent, and the menu floats cleanly over your content. As you scroll, everything beneath remains fully visible. So as you just saw, everything in this video was made using Elementor. It's my tool of choice, and if you want to support the channel, check out the affiliate link below. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.